So I'm hoping the video quality is better on here because I tried uploading it with my other camera and that camera actually broke. So I'm gonna upload it from that little web camera thing right there. How about I brush that? Now you're all clean. I can tell this video is gonna be like really robotic. I don't know. I make the weirdest noises. Sorry, I have TV playing, and I just made a 7-minute video, and YouTube won't let me upload it. So I'm like, I wasted 7 minutes of my life, and now people won't email me back, and all this shit is happening. So, yeah, should probably go for more than a minute. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So yeah, I just wanted to see how y'all were doing. I'm gonna see so you can see my awesome Gryffindor hat. I don't think I'm allowed to say where I bought it. Hi. Me, Mama, dude. Oh my God, I'm watching Ned's Declassified Skill Survival Guide from when I was little. I'm already really young. But this is from like early 2000s. I mean, look at what is his name? Devin Werkheiser. He must be German. Devin Werkheiser is like 23 now, which is really astounding for me because here he's my age. He's 13 or 14. I'm 13. Yeah, you guys can find me on whatever website you can. I'll put in my Instagram, you know, my YouTube. Not that anyone is watching these. Probably people are just being like, ah, this bitch doesn't know what she's doing. Bich. We're watching a lot of Jack Spoons. Yeah, but you can find my Instagram, you can find my DeviantArt, you can find, I do not have a Twitter or a Facebook. I should probably make an extra Google Plus for that. I do have a Google Plus, but I don't want people seeing like my real name and stuff. You'll probably find that out at some point when my mom's like, Hannah, get your motherfucking ass in here. Yeah, and I'll just be like, I love you too, Mom! Yeah, so I'm gonna go. I'm gonna wait like 10 more seconds and then I'll find 3 minutes. Okay, so I'm gonna go. I will see you all later. Bye.